Now children, discussion of lattice enthalpy. Lattice, it means network structure of ionic compounds. Ionic compound always exist in three-dimensional structure, right? Some amount of energy, fixed amount of energy is required to remove 1 mole of ionic compound from its network structure or lattice structure, which is known as lattice enthalpy, right? And this lattice enthalpy depends upon nature of product. Lattice enthalpy of sodium chloride is not equal to magnesium chloride, right? Because electronic environment is different. Okay children? Now, first of all, lattice network structure. What is the arrangement of chloride ions and sodium ions in NaCl structure? This is three-dimensional structure of sodium chloride. Specific feature of this structure: 8 corners are occupied by big size anion, which is chloride ion, right? And center of each edge. This distance between two corners is known as edge. Okay children? This one is central part of edge, right? And this distance, half of edge, means distance between this small size is sodium cation. Distance between sodium cation and chloride anion is ionic bond. Here is alternative arrangement of anions and cations, right? Because force of attraction develops between opposite ions only. Okay children? The minimum lattice enthalpy, here is discussion of enthalpy. The minimum amount of energy which is required, 1 mole of ionic compound from its lattice structure or network structure is known as lattice enthalpy. Enthalpy means heat, right? In case of sodium chloride, how much amount of energy is required? This is endothermic process plus 788 kilojoule per mole, right? Plus it means requirement. This is endothermic process and amount is fixed 788. In reverse process, during formation of 1 mole of sodium chloride, same amount of energy is lost. But backward process, reverse process is exothermic process. Okay children? During formation of 1 mole of sodium chloride, the sign is opposite. Minus 788 kilojoule per mole. Right? This amount remains fixed because compound is same. Here compound is NaCl. Right? Now next is bond parameters. How many terms, factors are related with bond? First is bond length. Discussion of bond length. What is bond length? Bond length is minimum distance between two bonded atoms where maximum force of attraction is influenced, right? Now, or bond length is equilibrium distance between two bonded atoms. For example, chlorine, homonuclear molecule, which is chlorine, right? Only one bond is present in chlorine. Right? This equilibrium distance, minimum distance between two bonded atoms is known as bond length. Okay? This bond length depends upon type of molecule. This is homonuclear molecule. Homo means this molecule is made by combination of chlorine atoms only. Second example, hydrochloride, right? In this case, different atoms are present. One is hydrogen, second is chlorine atom, right? both are different in their electronegativities. One is negatively charged and second is positively charged, right? In second case, force of attraction is stronger than first one, right? So this bond length decreases. Bond length depends upon nature of molecule and number of bonds, right? Second term is bond order. Bond order, it means number of chemical bonds between bonded atoms. Okay, for example, nitrogen molecule. This is molecular formula. Its bonding structure and triple bond N. What is its bond order? 3, right? 3 bonds are present between 2 nitrogen atoms. Oxygen. This one is also diatomic. 2 atoms are present, but its bond order is 2, right? Chlorine. This one is also diatomic. 2 atoms are present, 2 atoms of chlorine, but bond order is different. Bond order is 1. Okay, children? Number of bonds or bond orders depends upon number of bonded electrons. How many pairs are present? In nitrogen, 3 pairs are present, right? Its bond order is 3. In oxygen, 2 pairs are present, bond order is 2. Chlorine, only 1 pair of bonded electron is present, its bond order is 1. Okay? Now children, next one is bond angle. Angle, it means angle between orbitals of bonded electrons, right? This is angular shape of water molecule. How many types of electrons are present around oxygen atom? 2 lone pairs which are present in p orbital, right? And 2 bond pairs. Bond pairs means which are forming chemical bonds. And lone pair, it means non-bonding electrons. Okay, children? This bond angle depends upon, this is angle between bonded electrons, okay, and its value depends upon presence or absence of lone pair of electrons, right? Here 2 lone pair of electrons are present. What happens? Repulsive force develops between bonded electrons and non-bonded electrons and bonded electrons. Again, non-bonded electrons and bonded electrons, right? Value of bond angle depends upon it. In case of CH4, only bonded electrons are present. This one, CH4, right? How many valence electrons are present around carbon atom? 4, and all 4 electrons are forming chemical bonds. Okay, children? Next is bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy, it is total amount of energy which is required to cleave or to break 1 mole of chemical bonds, right? Bond enthalpy is endothermic process. Total amount of heat energy which is required to break or to cleave 1 mole of chemical bonds is known as bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy depends upon bond order. Increasing number of bond order increases its bond enthalpy. Okay? In case of hydrogen molecule, its bond enthalpy is 435.8 kilojoule per mole, right? This enthalpy, this amount of energy is fixed because it depends upon electronic environment. Bond enthalpy of H bond H is not equal to Cl bond Cl. right? Bond enthalpy of oxygen is not equal to bond enthalpy of nitrogen, like this. This one is not equal to bond enthalpy of nitrogen. Okay, because it depends upon force of attraction between bonded atoms or bond order. Now next term is resonance. Resonance means contribution of canonical forms or resonance hybrids or delocalization of non-bonded electrons or pi electrons, right? What is required for resonance? Presence of lone pair or double bond. Double bond means pi electrons, which are also known as delocalized electrons. This is bonding structure of benzene. Okay children, molecular formula C6H6. Each center is showing carbon. How many carbon atoms are present here? 6. And each carbon atom is attached with one hydrogen. Right? This is one form of benzene. Okay? Second, in terms of resonance hybrids, resonance is shown by double-headed arrow due to interconversion between two structures. This is double-headed arrow, right? Forward directed. This arrow is showing conversion of this structure into another. What is second form? This is position of double bond in structure A or structure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this structure, one set of double bond is present between first and second carbon, and second between third and fourth carbon. Okay? Third one between fifth and sixth carbon. In resonance, different positions are occupied by double bonds like this. Alternation of double and single bond. This is new position, this is new position, and this is new position. Right? 1, 2. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same number of carbon atom, but position is different. Right? This interconversion of two structures. Inter means between. Interconversion of structures due to presence of double bonds or double bond is known as resonance. Okay? Each contributing structure is known as resonance hybrid. Okay? Or canonical form. Why resonance hybrid? Because each structure is associated with interconversion. And hybrid means each structure possessed same bond character. In structure 1, carbon 1 and carbon 2 double bond character is present here. Between 2 and 3 single bond character is present here. But in structure 2, just opposite nature. Between carbon 1 and carbon 2 single bond character is present here. Right? Only one bond is present. And between 2 and 3 double bond character. In this manner, in benzene ring, each carbon is associated with a double bond character. This electronic environment is same. So this character of resonance structure or canonical form is also known as hybrid structure, which possesses dual characters. Okay? This is bonding structure of CO3 minus 2, carbonate ion. Right? Resonance is possible in neutral molecule as well as in which ionic form of molecule. This is molecular ion, right? In this structure, structure 1, double bond is present between, this is first oxygen, second one and third one, between first oxygen and carbon. Resonance, which is shown by double headed arrow. What is new structure? Next, resonance hybrid, new position of double bond. Like this. Same numbering 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Right? One more. Resonance hybrid is possible. In each structure, different position is occupied by double bond. Position 1, position 2 and this is position 3. Right? First oxygen, second oxygen and third one. Single bonded oxygen is always negatively charged. What is written here? Minus 1. Minus 1. Again minus 1, only single bonded. Minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Right? A double bonded oxygen, 0 charge. Okay. Children, some amount of energy which is associated with resonance is known as resonance energy. What is resonance energy? Right? Increasing number of resonance structures always increases stability of molecule or molecular ion. Right? Because stability of molecule is inversely proportional to energy. Okay, children? This resonance provides stability to any molecule. Benzene is more stable than hexane. Hexane is alkane and benzene is a cyclic product due to resonance in it. In hexane, single bonded product, resonance is absent. Okay. Right? Di means two and pole, it means polarity. This property of molecule is related with polarity. Dipole moment is shown by polar molecule only. Dipole moment is vector quantity, right? Because it has magnitude as well as direction. You know meaning of vector in physics. Okay. Now, different conditions are given. Dipole moment. Zero dipole moment or non-zero dipole moment depends upon geometrical shape of molecule. Right? In case of linear geometry of molecule, dipole moment is a 0. What is mathematical expression for this dipole moment? Mu. Mu denotes dipole moment is equal to Q, it means charge, into L. Right? Separation of charge or distance between two ions. Okay, children? Mu is equal to Q into L. Its unit divide DE/BYE or capital D you can write like this. Right? One linear geometry like carbon dioxide, CO2. Its geometrical shape is linear. Right? Shape is straight linear at which angle? 180. Okay? In C and O, which atom is most electronegative? Oxygen. Right? And dipole moment is shown by arrow. Head of arrow is directed towards most electronegative atom, and this is putting one vertical line also. Because single arrow denotes coordinate bond. Right? To avoid any confusion between dipole moment and coordinate bond, what is drawn? One vertical line. Okay? Now, direction of second dipole moment just opposite. Right? Now, what is suppose mu due to this C double bond O is given as plus mu1. Unknown value of dipole moment is written as mu1. Right? here direction is just opposite sign of positive is negative, but magnitude is equal because same atom is present in each direction. So magnitude is equal minus mu 2 because this is second dipole moment. What is net dipole moment is 0 minus mu 2 plus mu 1 is equal to 0 d divide. Okay children. Second example, geometrical shape is non-linear. In case of BF3 molecule which exists in trigonal planar shape, what is its shape? When all three corners are joined, which shape is obtained? Trigonal planar. Planar means all three atoms are present in same plane, like this. This is single plane, but this is not trigonal shape. Okay. Now, in B and F, most electronegative atom is fluorine. What is the direction of dipole moment? Towards most electronegative atom. In each case, BF, BF, BF. Resultant of this BF and BF is lying in the opposite direction. Okay, magnitude is equal, directions are opposite. What is its resultant or net dipole moment is equal to 0. Now third example, different compounds of same element. First one is ammonia NH3 and second is NF3 nitrogen trifluoride. Its molecular formula NF3. What is the difference in mu of two products, two molecules? In NH3, this is the direction of lone pair of electron which is present in p orbital. What is drawn? Dumbbell shape of p orbital. And what is the direction of this is lone pair? Dipole moment due to lone pair of electron, and this is dipole moment due to bond pair. In H and N, nitrogen is more electronegative. What is the direction of dipole moment? Towards most electronegative. This one also nitrogen. This one also nitrogen. In NH3, this orbital dipole moment is supporting this bond dipole moment because directions are same, like this. Upward direction, and this one is also same direction. But in NF3, this is orbital direction of lone pair of electron in p orbital, which is lying in the upward direction. Okay, and between N and F, fluorine is most electronegative. Fluorine is halogen most, right? What is the direction of dipole moment towards most electronegative center? F, 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 right? So what is the effect of direction of dipole moment due to bonds in the opposite direction? Just opposite, right? This orbital is lying in upward and here net dipole moment in the downward direction. So this orbital dipole moment does not support net dipole moment, which decreases its net mu. What is the relationship between two? NH3 is greater, value of dipole moment of NH3 is greater than NF